In today's video, we'll delve into the 5 best semiconductor stocks to buy in 2024. But before we dive in, here's a little incentive to stick around until the end. We've got a bonus tip that could help you maximize your returns in this booming sector. So if you're eager to boost your portfolio and stay ahead in the investing game, make sure to watch the entire video. So before we start, if you find value in this video, please support our channel by liking and subscribing to our weekly updates. Now, let's get started. One of the greatest beneficiaries of the artificial intelligence, AI, megatrend has undoubtedly been Nvidia, NVDA. Trading under $5 per share just 5 years ago, the stock has rallied about 3,000% in the intervening period, and recently took its turn as the world's most valuable company by market cap. So far in 2024, NVDA has continued its relentless run higher, rising 158.6% on a year-to-date basis. However, Nvidia shares stumbled in late June, with some investors taking profits after the stock's 10-for-1 split and subsequent surge to new highs. And in today's session, NVDA is in focus again, trading fractionally lower after New Street Research downgraded the stock to neutral from buy on valuation concerns. As a result, there are some rival large-cap semiconductor stocks that significantly outperformed Nvidia's 12.69% return for the month of June. Here's a closer look at these market leaders as we head into the third quarter. Number 1. Taiwan Semiconductor, ticker TSM. Founded in 1987, Taiwan Semiconductor, TSMC, is the world's largest dedicated semiconductor foundry, meaning it manufactures the chips designed by Nvidia and others. That makes TSMC a vital part of the global chip supply chain. The company is known for its constant investment in research and development, ensuring it stays at the forefront of chip manufacturing technology. Its market cap currently stands at a mammoth $946.47 billion. TSMC stock rose by 15% in June and is up 77% on a year-to-date basis. The stock also offers a dividend yield of 0.88%. Overall, analysts have an average rating of strong buy for TSMC. Out of 10 analysts covering the stock, 8 have a strong buy rating, 1 has a moderate buy rating, and 1 has a hold rating. Taiwan Semiconductor stock is trading above its mean target price of $180.86, but the street high target price of $218 indicates an upside potential of about 18% from current levels. Taiwan Semiconductor plays a crucial role in the tech industry, producing chips for various applications from smartphones to high-performance computing. Their extensive R&D investments ensure they maintain technological leadership, making them a solid pick for investors seeking exposure to the semiconductor space. But before we proceed, here's a question for you. What do you think will be the next big tech breakthrough that could shake up the stock market? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Number 2. Skyworks Solutions, ticker SWKS. Based out of Irvine, CA, Skyworks Solutions designs and manufactures innovative analog semiconductors that are essential for wireless connectivity. Their products include power amplifiers, filters, switches, and integrated modules used in smartphones, tablets, wearables, routers, and other connected devices. The company's market cap currently stands at $16.7 billion. SWKS stock matched Taiwan Semiconductor, with a gain of 15% in June, though the shares are down 6.2% on a year-to-date basis. Notably, the stock offers a dividend yield of 2.6%. Analysts have deemed Skyworks stock a hold overall. Out of 25 analysts covering the stock, 6 have a strong buy rating, 17 have a hold rating, 1 has a moderate sell rating, and 1 has a strong sell rating. SWKS is trading at a modest premium to its average analyst price target of $102.41, while the street high target price is $130. This indicates an upside potential of roughly 23.1% from current levels. Skyworks Solutions is crucial for the ongoing proliferation of wireless technology, making it a significant player in the semiconductor space. Their strong dividend yield and innovative product lineup make them an attractive option for income-focused investors. Number 3. Qorvo, ticker QRVO. Founded in 2015 and based out of Greensboro, North Carolina, Qorvo designs and manufactures radio frequency, RF components and solutions for mobile, infrastructure, aerospace, defense, and consumer electronics applications. Their products include filters, amplifiers, modules, and integrated circuits, ICs, that enable wireless connectivity in various devices. Its market cap is currently $11.2 billion. Qorvo stock rallied 17% in June and is now up 5.5% on a year-to-date basis. Overall, analysts have a consensus rating of hold for Qorvo stock, which trades above its mean price target of $109.90. The shares have room to run about 8.2% higher to the street high target of $135. Out of 23 analysts covering Qorvo, 5 have a strong buy rating, 2 have a moderate buy rating, 13 have a hold rating, 1 has a moderate sell rating, and 2 have a strong sell rating. Qorvo's expertise in RF solutions makes it a key player in the semiconductor industry, especially with the growing demand for wireless connectivity across various sectors. Their diversified product portfolio and strategic focus on multiple end markets provide a robust foundation for future growth. Number 4. Broadcom, ticker AVGO. Founded in 1991 and based out of San Jose, Broadcom is one of the leading semiconductor companies in the world. They design, develop, and supply a wide range of analog and digital integrated circuits and other related products. In other words, they make the tiny chips that power many of our electronic devices, and also develop software for data center networking. The company currently commands a massive market cap of $804.9 billion. Broadcom delivered an impressive performance in June, rising 21%. Broadcom shares are up 53.2% on a year-to-date basis and offer a dividend yield of 1.21%. Earlier this week, Broadcom caught a boost when it was reported that Representative Nancy Pelosi, DCA, bought 20 call options on the chip stock with a strike price of $800 set to expire next June. On Wall Street, analysts have deemed Broadcom a strong buy, with a mean target price of $1,828.30, which indicates an upside potential of about 7% from current levels. Out of 31 analysts covering the stock, 28 have a strong buy rating, and 3 have a hold rating. Broadcom's extensive portfolio, spanning both hardware and software solutions, positions it as a significant player in the tech industry. Their consistent performance and strong dividend yield make them a compelling choice for both growth and income-focused investors. Number 5. ARM Holdings, ticker ARM. We conclude our list with ARM Holdings. The UK-based company doesn't manufacture chips. Instead, they design the architecture and instruction sets that form the core of processors used in smartphones, tablets, wearables, and other electronic devices. They license these designs and technologies to other companies who then manufacture and integrate them into their products. Its market cap currently stands at $176.29 billion. ARM stock zoomed 35% higher in June and has gained a staggering 137.8% on a year-to-date basis. Overall, analysts have a consensus rating of moderate buy for ARM stock. Out of 23 analysts covering the stock, 14 have a strong buy rating, 8 have a hold rating, and 1 has a strong sell rating. ARM has long since surpassed its average price target of $118.09 and is on track to end this week in line with its street-high target price of $180. ARM Holdings plays a critical role in the semiconductor industry by providing the fundamental blueprints for processors used across a wide range of devices. Their innovative designs and strategic licensing model make them a standout player in the tech sector. Looking at the chart, we can see a fascinating comparison of market caps, performance metrics, and price targets among these top semiconductor stocks. Taiwan Semiconductor, TSM, stands out with the highest market cap of $946.47 billion, reflecting its critical role in the global chip supply chain and robust R&D investments. Despite its recent stumble, Skyworks Solutions, SWKS, offers a strong dividend yield of 2.6%, indicating potential for income-focused investors. Qorvo, QRVO, showed impressive June performance with a 17% gain, and it continues to grow with a 5.5% year-to-date increase. Broadcom, AVGO, not only has a substantial market cap of $804.9 billion, but also provides a solid dividend yield of 1.21%, making it attractive for both growth and income. Finally, ARM Holdings, RM, steals the show with an astounding 137.8% year-to-date performance, showcasing its innovative edge in processor design. Each of these stocks presents unique strengths and opportunities, underscoring their potential as valuable additions to your investment portfolio. In conclusion, these 5 semiconductor stocks, Taiwan Semiconductor, Skyworks Solutions, Qorvo, Broadcom, and ARM Holdings, are leading the market with impressive performances and strategic positions in the industry. Whether it's through manufacturing prowess, innovative product offerings, or foundational design expertise, each of these companies offers unique advantages for investors looking to capitalize on the growth of the semiconductor sector. But before we wrap up, here's another question for you. If you had to pick just one stock to hold for the next decade, which one would it be? Let us know in the comments. And as promised, here's your bonus tip. Keep an eye on emerging semiconductor companies that are investing heavily in AI and quantum computing. These areas are set to revolutionize the tech landscape, and early investment in the right companies could yield significant returns. Thank you for joining us today at Simple Investing Secrets. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. See you next time.